Hi everyone, it's Fever here, and today we are going to take a look at the latest AMD chipset driver. I don't want to take up too much of your time, so we'll get straight to the point. But first, I'd like to remind you to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. It's free and it's the best way to support the channel. The release notes mention general bug fixing and new program support added. Now let me show you exactly which part of the drivers has been updated. What you see above is the full AMD chipset driver package. The highlighted drivers are the older version, so you can see that the updated components are AMD GPIO2, which goes from the version 2.2.0.136 to 2.137, and AMD PSP, which moves from 5.43 to 5.44. The changes therefore seems fairly minor, but now I'll leave you with the test. Activate the notification to stay tuned with the future content, and I'll see you in the next one.
Look, Mama, look! It's so pretty!
Lakias!